Oh, if there's something below, they're going to be pissed. Because I've been throwing rock all the way down. Big rock. Oof. Oh, I think I'm getting a bit clearer. I saw another skull on the way down. Am I getting close? Oh, bunch of cliffs still. It's another big workout. Well, I gotta start going down again. Can I hear noise up there? There's something following me. If it's a cougar or a bear or something. Maybe they think I'm going to break my neck, so I'm going to have an easy meal. Well, I'm going to shut it down. I'm going to go across here, and then I'm going to go. I can see the cliff there, so I'm going to need my hand. Here's just a cliff too. I'm not going down there. I'm gonna have to go that way. Yeah, I'm just gonna shut it down. It's gonna be easier.